Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Tech Team Trons channel, where we're going to tinker and learn. Today, we're going to be discussing the React OS project and what React OS is. It's the free open source implementation of Windows. It's a great alternative to Windows if you are looking to do that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to download this and we're going to run it on VMware Player version 16 or 17, one of those. Anyway, let's get started. Let's take a look at the React OS project. Welcome to React OS. Imagine running your favorite Windows applications and drivers in an open source environment you can trust. That's the mission of React OS. That sounds good. You could donate. You could download React OS 10.040.4.13. Take a look at some of the screenshots. You have Applications Manager. Well, this looks interesting. So what we're going to do today is we're going to test and we're going to see if we can run any of our applications. We could do a boot CD. If you wish to install React OS on your machine, then boot CD is the right option for you. Boot CD will direct you to a setup environment. Please follow the instructions from the scene. Live CD is useful if you don't plan to keep React OS on the computer for a long period of time. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to download the boot CD. I would donate, but I'm not going to do my thing online. I don't know how, the download will start shortly. As we can see, the download is happening. All right, so I'm going to take a look at what we have. We have the React OS ISO, which I would like to, I guess, I would like to put in my ISO folder. All right, so it's there. So we have everything we need there. So now the time comes to see what we could do with this React OS and if it will even run in my environment in VMware Workstation. So we'll start the VMware player. And I'll proceed with setting up the React OS. So let's get this party started. We're going to create a new virtual machine. Okay. All right, so I'm going to use an installer image. I'm going to pluck the image from from my ISO folder. I forget where it is. Oh, there it is. Let's see. So it appears that it could not detect the operating system in this image. So we'll have to specify what operating system it is. Let's see if it's even listed. Well, it's not a Linux, so we're going to use other. Hmm. Or can we use Microsoft Windows? Okay, so we have a couple of decisions to make here. I don't think this makes a big deal. I'm just going to put it as other. Put it other 64-bit. Let it go. Virtual machine name will be reactos -1. The 8 GB. We don't want 8 GB. I usually go for 20. 20 is enough for me. I'll store the virtual disk as a single file. And let's see what we have. And hopefully this works. Maybe I can see if we could, you know, make this a little bit better for us if I could zoom in on it. Where am I? All right, so I did that earlier. So let's get it started. All right, so we are at the React OS setup. I'm gonna put English United States for says welcome to the React OS setup. This is part of the setup and operating system on your computer. Prepare the second part of the setup and all that stuff. So we know these screens seem familiar. So this is an alpha stage, which meaning it's not feature complete and is under heavy development. That doesn't sound too reassuring. I accept the device settings, unpartition space. So it's just like the Windows installing away. Huh. So now we have a couple of um, I'm going to do a quick format of the BTRFS file system. Click enter to continue. And there it goes. Now this is question setup is installing the bootloader. Install bootloader on the hard disk. Install bootloader on the hard disk BBR only. Install boot. I'm just going to go with option, the first option. Says your computer will reboot in about a few seconds. So we'll let it do that. We'll start React OS. Look at the graphics, you know, that looks kind of cool. Gonna install devices, so it was a fairly quick install. Even though we are still installing stuff. Now I gotta find my mouse. The mouse is not really working. So I won't do anything. I'm just gonna call it C Tech Chronics. Then I gotta make a password. Saturday, September 25th, 5:52 a.m. Now we need to set the proper, I don't think that's my time zone, so I'm going to go to the proper time zone. Huh. Okay, we got my mouse working, but I'm going to go for this thing. Typical settings. I'll put it on my work group. So it looks like it wants to install. So hopefully we can fix the resolution and we can get a good size screen, take up the whole screen for it to be of use. Gonna reboot. This part of it, like I think it automatically selects reactos and all that stuff. All right, so I'm just gonna install the driver automatically here. Oh, it could not. Oh, we'll just finish it. All driver automatically. Installation failed. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we could do for the properties. This is a big one here. Oh, yes. We could apply that change. Beautiful. Now we have the whole screen. Yes, we're going to keep that setting. We're using True Color 32-bit. All right. So we have reactos up and running. One of the first things I want to do is see what kind of programs we have. See, what about internet? Huh. Take a look at my documents. I don't think our mouse pointer is going to help us in this, so let's see if I can get anywhere on the web. Okay. We need, all right, applications manager. See what that is. All right, so the applications manager is, I presume, what we would do for the internet. So we have Thunderbird, Firefox. See here, but I'm not seeing what I want. Huh. Let me expand this. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I want Chrome, but I don't think Chrome is available here. So what we'll do, we'll install Firefox as a, and but I really want Chrome because that's what I use. So we'll see if we can install Chrome. But if we can't get Chrome, because that's one of the things that I would definitely improve about this is running Chrome. So we should be able to run Chrome, but let's see. It may actually work. This may actually be a viable solution if you do not want to, be stuck on the Windows train, because they have Windows 11 coming up, and you'll have support for Windows 10 for like quite a while. And if you just want to get out of that, this is definitely something that you could look into. Okay, so it's doing its thing. CPU has been disabled by the guest operating system. Wow. So there's definitely issues. A problem has been detected with reactor has been shut down to prevent damage. Memory management is the top error screen. That sucks. We're going to restart the virtual machine. So what we have is a very unstable operating system. So I see why, like, I would be hesitant to like upgrade to this. But then again, it could be a simple driver issue, and maybe we could take a look at the device files to see what possible issues we have with the devices. Let's see if we could control alt delete to begin. Oh, I didn't want to do that. So the proper way to do this, oh, that's retarded. All right, control alt, well, insert. I'm trying to through VMware pass to send control alt delete only virtual machine type control alt plus insert. Uh, not working. So that's, yes, for some reason my control alt insert is not working. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And thank you for being a subscriber if you're a subscriber. And also feel free to comment and, give me any insights as to what your thoughts are about this. Thank you and have a great day.